Borax, the magic household cleaner. Borax is a white powdery substance, also known as sodium tetraborate. It's a natural cleaner that's safe to use around your home and has many applications. As an ingredient in the kitchen and in bathroom cleaning products, borax makes it easy to keep surfaces clean and bacterial-free. It removes stains from porcelain and stainless steel sinks. A borax solution helps clean the garbage disposal unit and helps unclog drains. Borax is also used as a water softener. It's used in homemade laundry detergents. Remove liquid stains from clothing using a borax solution. As a natural odor neutralizer, a borax solution removes smells from carpets. As a stain remover, it's an effective way of removing dirt and debris. Borax cleans soiled upholstery and floor mats. It deodorizes and freshens a mattress. It's even found in mothballs. You can find borax in personal care items in the bathroom that act as emulsifiers. It's also a preservative in moisturizers. And it's used in oral care toothpaste and in mouthwashes as an antiseptic. It's used in the garden, where it's found in insecticides. Borax also helps in keeping ants and roaches away. It's also a fire retardant. So borax is a wonder mineral, but is it safe? Yes, borax is perfectly safe when used properly. However, handling borax properly when mixing up a household cleaner or laundry detergent solution is important. It's perfectly harmless unless it gets ingested or inhaled into your lungs. When inhaled, it causes respiratory irritations. And if ingested, it can cause severe poisoning and organ damage. As you can see, borax is a powerful all-purpose agent that can be used around the home in multiple applications. Thanks for watching.